In this tutorial, we will discuss how to correct a civilian rejected time card. There are multiple reasons for a rejected time card. Some of these reasons could be that 1. Your approver rejected the time card. 2. Your approver did not take action within 7 calendar days from the time you submitted your time card to him or her. 3. The time card was automatically rejected when DMHRSi did not match ATAPs. Or 4. You are a dual component employee that did not enter civilian in the person type field. Let us begin the demonstration on how to correct a civilian rejected time card. You should already be familiar with logging on to DMHRSi and creating a time card. If you are not familiar, please refer to our first 2 videos for the tutorial. If your time card is rejected, under the subject field of your work list, you will receive a reconciliation notification which states reconciliation process denied approval. Click the rejected time card notification. Once you click, the link will open up to display the reconciliation notice. You will review it to identify differences between the hours you entered on your DMHRSi time card versus the hours you entered on ATAPs. TC hours would be the hours you entered on your DMHRSi time card. PR or payroll hours indicates the hours you entered in ATAPs. The goal is for your DMHRSi hours to mirror your ATAPs hours. In this example, the employee entered on their DMHRSi time card, which again is represented by TC, that they had 0 hours of paid leave and 80 man-hours they worked in their department. On ATAPs or payroll, they indicated they had 9 hours of non-available paid leave and 71 man-hours they worked in their department. In order to correct this time card, we need to fix their DMHRSi time card to match the hours indicated in ATAPs. To correct the time card, click on Employee Self-Service, click Time Entry, and this action should bring up your DMHRSi template. Again, you should already be familiar with this process. Enter your name and the pay period, and this will allow you to make the necessary corrections. We need the amount of hours the employee worked in their department to reflect it as 71. On DMHRSi, as we can clearly see, it is indicated as 80. We need this figure to be changed to 71. So we will just delete 9 hours here. The employee also indicated on ATAPs that they had 9 hours of paid leave. So we would need to add this to their DMHRSi template. Enter the project number and 02.01, which is the task code for civilian leave. Enter regular, and we would enter 9 hours to mirror what they indicated on ATAPs. Again, the idea of correcting a civilian rejected time card is to correct the information on your DMHRSi time card to mirror what is noted on ATAPs or your payroll time card. And you will need to refer to the reconciliation notice that I displayed in the beginning of the tutorial. Once this is done and the corrections have been made, please review them to ensure that they are correct. Click on the Submit Selected Line button The status may change to working, which is indicated by this blue light, and if that happens, continue clicking on the Find button till it changes to a green light, which then reads Submitted. Once this is done, you will receive confirmation that the time card has been submitted. The time card approver will then receive a copy of your time card and will action accordingly. This concludes the tutorial on how to correct a civilian rejected time card.